everyone, I'm back, this time with a series for our elders, our parents, our uncles and aunts. For the sake of convenience, I've divided the series into two parts. The first one focusing on the lower body and the second one focusing on the upper body. Today I'm going to show you a few exercises for the lower body, which includes the knee and the lower back. For this, we need to lie down either on a bed or a yoga mat, whichever is comfortable and pain-free. I would prefer lying down on the bed because transitions from the yoga mat could be painful. So let's start. Our first exercise would be lie down comfortably and move your foot up and down. Hold for 5 counts, relax, take it down, hold for 5 counts, relax. Repeat this 10 times. Make sure it does not hurt you in the knee and the back. While doing this, if it's hurting you, you could put a small pillow under the knee and then do it. Otherwise, you could do it without the pillow. It's a simple exercise. It's a warm-up exercise. It helps to improve blood circulation as well as helps to stretch the calf and the shin. The second exercise is called knee isometrics. It means pressing the knee down. For this, keep a small towel roll under the knee and press the knee down. Hold for 5 counts, relax, repeat this 5 times. Repeat this 10 times. First finish on one leg, then do this on the other leg. These exercises look simple, but they are very energy consuming. So you could keep counting aloud in this, and make sure when you do this, do not lift your buttocks up. So I'll repeat, press your knee down, hold for 5 counts, relax. Repeat this 10 times. The third exercise would be squeeze your buttocks. I'm just placing my hands for you to understand. It's supposed to be done inherently, from within, not with the help of your hands. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. And repeat this 10 times. Please make sure it's not hurting you in the back while you do this. Any of the exercises, if it hurts you in the back or the knee while you're doing it, please do not do it, and you could confirm it. Call your physiotherapist and confirm if you're doing the right things. The fourth exercise would be to bend both your knees slowly without being jerky and lift your buttocks up. Say about 4 to 5 inches above the bed. Hold for 5 counts and relax. Repeat this only 5 times. I repeat, lift your buttocks up. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Repeat this 5 times. The fifth exercise would be straight leg raise. Keep one knee bent, the other leg straight. Take it slightly out, pull the foot up and take it as straight as you can to up to 50 to 60 degrees. Hold for 5 counts and relax. Go slow, no jerky movements. It should not be painful at the back. That's why I made you bend the other knee. Repeat this 5 times. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. After this, take a minute's break. Take a few deep breaths and then start with the other leg. Repeat it with the other leg. Bend this leg. Take your other leg slightly out. Pull the foot, knee straight. Lift the leg up to 60 degrees, 50 to 60 degrees. Hold for 5 counts and slowly take it down. Repeat this 5 times. The sixth exercise is pull one knee to the chest with the help of your hands. Take it as much as you can towards your chest. Hold for 10 counts. Slowly take it down. Relax. Repeat it with the other leg. You have to alternately repeat it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. So, we are done with your ankle movements, knee presses, buttock squeezes, buttock lifts, leg raises and pulling one knee to the chest. Now we turn on the stomach and lie down comfortably. You could keep a pillow if you are uncomfortable. You could remove it as your comfort. And bend one knee as much as you can. Hold for 5 counts and relax. Repeat this 5 times. First on one leg and then on the other leg. The last exercise would be in sitting. Sit with the knees at the edge of the bed and straighten up one leg from the knee. Make sure you're not going back from the back. Hold for 5 counts. Relax. Repeat this 5 times. Just a quick recap. The first exercise was ankle movements, up and down. The second exercise was press your knee down. Hold for 5 counts. Relax. Repeat this 10 times. The third exercise was buttock squeezes. Hold for 5 counts. Relax. Repeat it 10 times. The fourth exercise was bend both your knees. Bridging. Lift your buttocks up. Hold for 5 counts. Relax. Repeat it 5 times. Fifth exercise was bend one leg. Lift the other leg up to 50 to 60 degrees. Hold for 5 counts. Repeat this 5 times. Sixth exercise was pull one knee to the chest. Hold for 10 counts. Repeat it 3 times alternately. The seventh exercise was lie down on the stomach and bend one knee as much as you can. Hold for 5 counts. Relax. Repeat it 5 times. The eighth exercise was sitting at the edge of the bed, knees at the edge of the bed. Straighten the leg up from the knee. Hold for 5 counts. Relax. Repeat it 5 times. These are simple exercises, but they are very effective. Just a small note of caution. If it's uncomfortable, if it's hurting you in the knee or the lower back, please do not do it and feel free to call your physiotherapist. Please do not forget to show this to your elders and please share it with your friends. Thank you.